aerial photography is responsible for some of the most impressive shots on social media. There are many different activities for drones, and aerial photography is one of the most popular draws. There are a lot of good remote control drones to buy out there, so it's essential to think about what kind of drone best fits your intended operation, and then to perform proper research on the best options. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The DJI Spark features an integrated camera with motorized stabilization to capture 12 megapixel photos, 1080p Full HD videos, and even aerial selfies. Also, it offers compact size, 31 mph top speed, and up to 16 minutes of flight time, which will appeal to a variety of users. Besides, it provides GPS and vision-based navigation for outdoor or indoor use, a variety of flight modes, and a 3D obstacle detection system. Moreover, the intelligent flight modes and intuitive controls help you create cinematic aerial videos with just a few taps. The Parrot Anafi comes with a camera equipped with f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and it offers up to 2.8 times digital zoom that captures spectacular 4K videos, Full HD, or 2.7K videos, and 21 megapixel photos without loss of quality. It provides a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. With its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, it unfolds in less than 3 seconds and reaches a speed of 55 km an hour in sport mode, and it withstands bullets up to 50 km an hour. Moreover, it is equipped with a Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control. On the other hand, it is quiet and resistant to extreme weather conditions. Another advantage is that it has a 25-minute flight time with excellent performances. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom features a foldable, low-profile, ergonomic design to hold your smartphone for maximum convenience. Also, the detachable control sticks are stored inside the remote controller to pack more comfortably on the go. It comes with a 12.0 megapixel camera along with Adobe DNG RAW support, which is ready to shoot. Besides, the 3-axis gimbal is capable of stabilizing the camera even during a quick motion for smooth video and sharp photos. Moreover, it uses a 1/2.3-inch 12.0 megapixel sensor and a 2x optical zoom lens, which allows users to capture everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots for more creative options. The DJI Mavic Pro 2 commands a sturdy 1-inch CMOS sensor, which offers stunning 20.0 megapixel aerial photos with extreme detail. It uses an OcuSync 2.0 video transmission system that gives you unprecedented control. Also, it supports 4K video at 30 frames per second and has a 20.0 megapixel camera that comes with Adobe DNG RAW support, which is ready to shoot. Besides, the 3-axis gimbal is capable of stabilizing the camera even during a quick motion for smooth video and sharp photos. You can shoot an incredible scene and edit it with just a few taps in the DJI Go 4 editor, and share it instantly for everyone to see. Moreover, the detachable control sticks are stored inside the remote controller to pack more comfortably on the go. In at first place among the list of best drones for photography, we have the DJI Mavic Air. It is a pocket portable drone that was designed with tourists and outdoor enthusiasts in mind. It highlights a 3-axis gimbal stabilized camera with a 1.2/3-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 12 megapixel images and is intelligent of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second that it can transfer at speeds of up to 100 megabytes a second, or stocks on its 8 gigabytes of internal storage. Regarding performance, the Mavic Air offers various flight modes, can reach a top speed of up to 43 miles per hour, and presents a max flight period of up to 21 minutes. For protection and security, the Mavic Air employs an advanced flight control system that draws on various sophisticated technologies, including visual inertial odometry (VIO) and advanced pilot assistance systems (APAS) to establish itself in 3D space, identify objects, and dodge collisions. Thanks for watching.